What's up, y'all? My name is Taylor, or Taythoo. I'm finally back with another video. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the orange slides. So what you guys are going to see in this video, of course, I'm going to give you more information. I'm going to tell you my opinion about them, probably and tell you like the process of, you know, buying them, and then hopefully you'll be able to make your decision after that. So when I first got them, I made a video, like the entire process from when they're in the box to unwrapping them to everything. You guys are going to see that. But I'm also months later making this video to provide you with an update and to also give you more information on things that I did not go over in the video and things that I didn't know that I know now. Ooh, guess what I got? Y'all, my shoes are here. Y'all, I had to treat myself to some shoes. I probably already know what it is. That orange box. That orange box. So it came in this box. They got it wrapped up tight. Ooh. I'm trying to hide my nails though, because they're not getting done until next week. Okay, so I got it out the box. I know I'm hyped, y'all, but I seen everybody else do their orange box videos, unboxing. So yeah, I'm doing mine as well. And it's so funny because I don't buy myself stuff, so it's so weird when I treat myself to stuff. I'm only treating myself to something because it's an occasion, but I need to start doing this on a regular, and I will. So in the box was just this card, this Hermes card, and here's the orange box. So this is really cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open. I got the orange sandals. I was debating between the Christian Dior slides and the orange sandals. And I ended up going with these because I don't know, they're just, I feel like they make a statement, but they're simple. Like, it doesn't do too much. I really like the Dior slides, but I feel like they are a bit, I guess what I say, flashy. I don't really like stuff that has the name of the brand on it. I don't know. I don't really like stuff like that. So I thought these were really cute. And then just watching everybody's reviews, people saying that, I seen people had them for a long time. And yeah, so I just wanted these, and I'm happy with my choice. So yeah, in the box, this is how it looks when you open up the box. Of course, they gave you your dust bags. So here's the dust bags. Come in the dust bags. Yep. So here we go. Oh, and they're, you know what? See, I'm happy that I went with these because they are thick. And this material, like, this is, I'm happy I went with these because I thought these were going to be like flimsy, but they're not flimsy. Like, this is so thick. So thick. So thick and sturdy. So they're so cute. So of course I went with black. I think black goes with, black goes with everything. You can't go wrong with black. I'll probably get the other colors. I was so mad because I wanted this blue. It was this light blue that was so pretty, but when I went back on the site, it wasn't there no more. So I'm definitely going to get them sometime. I'm definitely going to get them, and I like the silver ones. I like the silver ones as well. I might get a couple of these, but you can't go wrong with black. And so this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I love them. Again, y'all, this is like, pictures don't do stuff justice. And I went to the mall before I bought these to try them on and see them in person, but they ended up being closed. So I said, you know what, I tried on the Christian Dior ones, and then I was like, hopefully I wear the same size, and if not, I'll take them back and go. I got a 38.5, which is a 8.5, and I wear an 8. So all the videos that I watched before getting these, everybody was like they took a half size up, so I just did a 38.5. But yeah, so here we go. Yeah, y'all, so that's that. I guess I'll update y'all and let y'all know over time if I still feel the same about these. But before even wearing them, guys, when I tell y'all this is super thick and hard. It's hard. So I was like, dang, this might. I was nervous because I thought they were going to be flimsy, and you know, when you wear things, they wear down. I heard somebody say that about the Christian Dior ones, so I was like, I thought these were going to be the same. But yeah, happy that I went with these. Happy, happy, happy. Love them. Love, love, love. Okay, y'all. So I hope I touch on all the important details. If I do not, please comment and ask your questions, and I will try my best to, you know, answer your question if I do have that information. Okay, so I did write some stuff down for y'all, like all of the stuff that I could remember, like the important details, like all of like shipping, price, the different styles, comfort, sizing. Those are the things that I wrote down for y'all. And like I said, if I'm forgetting anything, then, you know, just write in a comment and you can ask. This is called the Hermes Iconic H cutout Oran sandals. Okay, so when you go on the website, you'll type in Oran sandals, or it's ORAN sandals, or you can go, when you go in the store, you can just ask for the Oran sandals. They're called the Oran sandals. The price, so I think I paid $630 for these. I know that for some sandals, y'all, that's a mess. But we all need that. We gotta have some of those pieces in our closet that, you know, they might be a little pricey, but they staple items, their quality, and they last, and we know they're cute. And that's how I feel about these. So yeah, like I said, I paid $630. They can range up to $1,500. Different materials, different designs, different styles. So for instance, these are called, and I hope I say this right, Nor Picares Icures. Nor Picares Icures, the style of this shoe, because they have different blacks. So I got black, but they have different styles for the black, or different, you know, type of material for the black. So you got to make sure you go to the product details, and if you're into all that different calf skin, goat skin, because it's different skins, you need to make sure you're reading the product details, because there is so many different ones. So mine is called the Nor Picares Icures. Is calf skin and black. It has a black leather sole. Okay, so yeah, that's these ones. If you want the black and you want this exact style, that's the style. That's the information that you need. So yeah, that's the style. Like I said, they have different kinds of skin. So they have some that's made with calf skin, some that's made with goat skin, Napa leather. You just have to read. And that's all I can say. So this is leather, but the bottom of it is wood. So it's soft here, but right under it you have that wood, and honestly that makes them a little bit uncomfortable. So colors, as far as colors, y'all, they have so many different colors. Like, I did not want black at first. It was this pretty blue that I wanted, this baby blue, and y'all, my heart was broke. I went back to the website because I was debating on if I was going to get them. Went back to the website and they were gone. So I called into the store and they told me, the lady told me, she said, you basically got to get it. What's on the website is what's on the website. They update the website based on what comes in. So some things might not ever get restocked, or it might not get restocked when you're trying to buy it. So make sure if you see a color on there, you get it. I wanted that baby blue. I wanted that pretty orange that everybody has. I think I wanted the brown, silver. It's so many different colors. That pink is cute too. It's so many different ones and they're really cute. And I'm going to get me some more. Over time, I'm going to get me some more. I got my black that goes with everything. And then over time, I'm going to get some more. Or I'm going to have Over time I'll get some more. So yeah, the colors, as far as colors, they have different styles, different colors. You'll see on there they got some with glitter, some that has like fur. It's different ones, and you just have to look on the website, and you know, I wish you the best of luck on getting the color that you want, because like I said, they sell out fast. Shipping, so the shipping, y'all, these came fast. So I ordered these May 29th. They shipped them out, I'm reading off my laptop. They shipped them out on June 1st, and they were delivered on June 3rd. So that was quick. I think that's a span of like 5 days. And I did not pay for shipping. You can pay for, I think, like 2-day or overnight shipping. I did not do that because their warehouse or factory was in New Jersey, and I lived in Philadelphia at the time. So I was like, let me try my luck. And yeah, they came fast. So that's what, 29th, like less, you know, a week, really. Give it a week or whatever. But yeah, so it was ground shipping. It was free. Altogether I paid $630. I did not pay any tax on them, because I don't think you pay tax on, Philadelphia doesn't have sales tax on like clothing items or stuff like that. So I didn't pay tax. I said, okay, let me order them online, and then if they didn't fit, if I didn't like them or if they didn't fit, I would go back to the store, because the mall wasn't that far away from me. So ended up ordering them online, like I said, span of a week. Got them. If a shoe is really narrow like these slides, then I go up, and then based on the reviews, everybody was like, go up a half a size. So that's what I did. I normally wear a 8 in women's, and so I said, okay, I'm gonna do a 8.5. So I ended up getting a 38.5, which is an 8.5 in women's in European sizes, and got the 38.5, and they fit me. But based on my judgment, y'all, I was like, I want these to be long term. I don't want these to hurt my feet or any of that. So if you look at the shoe on the side, like your foot on the side, it hurts a little bit, like, because this part is narrow up here, it presses on the side of your foot, and I didn't like that. Come back to the store the next day, and I sized up again, because I was like, I'm sorry, I'm not about to pay $6 something for some sandals and they don't really fit me, or in a few months I'll be saying that they're hurting my feet or whatever. I was just thinking more long term, so I did take them back to the store and I did size up again. They fit much better. They fit much better. They are uncomfortable regardless. These are uncomfortable shoes. I just want to say that they're uncomfortable shoes. They're made of leather. Leather gets tight on your foot. You know, your foot can sweat. It's like, these are not comfortable shoes. And then the wood on the bottom is definitely not comfortable. So I would recommend, I think they are worth it. Like I said, every girl should have a pair of these or a few. The colors are beautiful. But honestly, if you have a car, to me, I have a car, so when I wear these, I'm going to the car, and wherever I'm going, I'm probably not going to be there for a long time. No, I'm not wearing them all day. These are not something that you need to wear when you're walking around all day. I promise you, don't do it. Don't do it. They're not comfortable. They fit, but I think based on the material, they're just not, you know, an everyday wear shoe. I don't think so. Like I said, I wore them about 10 times. The first time I wore them, I made a mistake of wearing them probably for an extended period of time, and that's how I know that these are not everyday shoes. But I love when I'm like, oh, I need some cute shoes to wear, and I pull these out. Like, if I don't want to wear heels, these are like the next go-to, because, you know, they're simple, but they make a statement. I had mine for 5 months so far. As y'all can see, the wear on mine is not that bad. The shoe on the bottom, of course, because I'm walking, but still holding up, still great quality. I probably need to get a cleaner, because as y'all can see right here, it's like, probably if I'm like sweating or whatever, I don't know, but I definitely recommend them. Like I said, I got my eyes on a bunch of colors, but I won't be getting them right now. Over time, probably some people need to give them to me as gifts. Give them to me as gifts if you love me. But yeah, I'm not buying them with my own money. No. And I was really debating, in the video I talk about how I was debating between the Christian Dior ones and those at the time, and I ended up going with them because I tried on the Christian Dior ones first when the Hermes store was closed, but Christian Dior was open. So I went to Christian Dior store, and honestly I just feel like the Christian Dior ones are more trendy, but I don't think that they are something like, they're not quality. I feel like they wouldn't last as long as these because the material seems like it will wear down really fast. But yeah, it's up to you. In my opinion, I think they are worth it. At least you gotta get you a pair. Now you gotta get you at least one pair, and then the rest of them people could give them to you as gifts. Like I said, you can't go wrong with black, but they have so many different colors, like so many different ones. And yeah, so that's that. Hope you got something from this video. You came and got what you was looking for. Comment below if you end up buying these sandals based off this video. Let me know what color y'all get, and if you have any other questions, comment below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. But yeah, get your Hermes slides and live your best life, girl. That's it. I'm out. I will see y'all in the next video.